Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff with the S2000. I'm going to start by removing the stock exhaust because it's blocking a few things that I need to change out. So let's get to it. Take off your exhaust. There's the header. There's the bolt that you couldn't get to because the cat was in the way. Right here. This is pretty tight. These two on this side are also pretty tight. They're just the bracket that hold on the transmission. They're 14s. And then these for the Axial transmission mount bushings. These are 12s. Less tight, but still tight. When you take the bracket off, please note the orientation of these little tabs right here, this one and this one. On the bottom they'll point inward, but on the top they need to point outward. And also you will save a lot of time if you get a ratcheting wrench. Whoop, this 12, and you put it on top. Old busted, new hotness, old busted. Alright, so I'm draining the transmission fluid right now. Very simple, just 17 mil and then a square socket from your wrench, and it's draining. So while I'm waiting on that to drain, I'm going to be installing my diff collars. These are Hot Boy spec, but they were the cheapest ones I could get. So hopefully no one notices them. Just putting them onto my diff while I wait for the transmission to drain. So this is the front diff mount, or the diff mount, but for the front removed. So you have the two 14s that are right here and right here. Then you have the 19 mil nut that's right here, and loosen the 19 mil, but don't take it off on both sides. Then work on the 14 mils, and you're gonna want to support the diff. And then once you take the two 14s from each side, the diff will drop, and then you'll have this that can be removed pretty easily. And then it's as simple as just slapping this in on this side and then doing the same here, and then you just put it back in. To get to the rear mounts, basically you just have to drop the sway bar, which is 4 14 millimeters on either side of the sway bar. One on this side, one on the other side down there. And then just swings down, and then you can get to the 4 14s that are on either side, 8 total, and then your mount just slides out. Help. Alright, so once you have all the bolts out, you're gonna wanna halfway take these out just so that they're not on the subframe, and then you're gonna lower the jack slightly just so this rod, there's no room for it to come out as is. You have to lower the diff, you have to lower the diff a little bit. So one-handed. And then once you get to about this point, lowered. Uh-oh. I think I gotta go more. Cool. All the way. Okay. Diff no longer supported, and I'll figure it out. Holy crap. My diff fluid was so black. So freaking black. You can't even see it, but it almost had like almost a blue tint to it. I don't know if anyone's ever changed the diff fluid on this car, so I'm glad that I took the time to do this. So this is basically how dark the oil was. Fresh focus. Somewhat fresh. Oop. Pretty dark, and then up here it actually gets a little bluish. Not a good color for your diff.